Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do and how to fix a critical software update alert that you might get on your iPhone. It's going to come basically from your settings app on your iPhone. You may see something where Apple is aware of attacks targeting out of date iOS software, including the version on your phone. Install this critical update to protect your phone. So if you get this, don't panic. It's simply Apple letting you know your version of the iOS might be vulnerable and you want to go ahead and get the latest update. So what you'll start doing is by going to your setting, make sure you're connected to the internet or Wi-Fi, and then from there on you're going to go to general and then software update, and from there on you're going to look for the latest update and update your phone. It's really important you do update your phone. As you know, right now the latest version is iOS 26.4 at the time of recording, which is really stable update. If your phone can update to it, but if you can't update to this version, it's going to show you the most recent update that is going to be compatible on your device. And Apple again has security updates and fixes that are essential for your device to be secure. So if you haven't updated, just follow this step and you're going to click on update. Make sure your phone is plugged into a charger during the update so you can actually get the latest update. And that's all you need to do. And after that, that alert will go away. So that's how you fix it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.